our channel. Today, we're seeing so many different colored tulips. And guess where we are? We're at a tulip park. Oh, tulips, beautiful. And yes, we can pick some tulips. Not too many. So let's get a red bucket to put all of the flowers we picked inside.
Kenji! Broken! This one broken!
Ate winner! Ang ganda ate! Beautiful! Can I pick a flower?
Of course! You can take.
Yeah, if you want that pink one.
Give that to me.
Give the other bucket, Daddy.
Okay. How to pick?
How to pick?
The guide said.
Oh, did it! Yay! Beautiful! Oh, lovely! Happy? How does it feel?
It's actually kind of easy because it just like pops out, pop, and then there's this round thing, I guess. But it looks like I don't know, but it's kind of really easy. Looks cute.
Nice.
Looks really pretty. It looks kind of fuzzy though.
Yeah, actually, this is the fuzzy one. Look.
Fluffy.
Fuzzy. Oh, lovely.
I saw
Okay.
some there before. They were angelic, and those look really pretty. So
Alright,
let's go over there, okay?
Which one? Ah, that
The ones over
That's
there,
over there.
back.
Okay, let's go.
I saw those. They're called angelic or something like that.
Ah,
They
they're
look
called
really-
enjiy.
Something like that, but still they look really pretty. And that caught,
Go,
and
go,
that
go.
caught my
Run.
attention.
Kenji, run. Go to the pink.
Go!
Ate's pass. Ate winner. Ate, don't run too fast. Not too fast. Kenji said, oh, Ate's pass. Ah, this one, very light. And then the lilac. Ate.
These look pretty. I like
Ah,
these.
you want these.
Wow. This looks really pretty. Can I take it?
It's okay because there are two. It's okay.
It's
Just
okay,
it's
there
one.
are two.
It's only
It
one.
looks delicate. It looks really
Wow.
pretty.
Show.
That's why it's kind of called with the angelic.
Ah, this is enjiy. Wow. Oh, and you're lucky because in one plant you get two flowers.
They look really cute. All of the two flowers that we picked for first look beautiful. And I guess it's Kenji's turn now to pick the flowers we see one. And the flower clinged onto me. That's like,
Kenji is looking for his first
One,
tulip.
yeah.
Okay. The dark red, Kenji.
Yes. Ooh. Pick the perfect one. You
Okay.
have to pick the perfect one. There.
Is
Pick,
it-
pick.
Is it for mommy, Kenji?
Mine.
Mine. It's
No,
for mine.
mine.
It's mine. You have to pick the long
Alright.
one. You have to pick
Pick
the
the
long-
best one. Pick the
Pick.
best one. Ate, help Kenji find.
No, not that one.
You have the best one, baby or big?
Big. Big one. Ah, Kenji, look at the one beside you, on the other side. Combination of...
This is.
Ah, talaga, I really want this one.
It's our turn. to pick,
Actually, this one, the angelic one is very lovely. Look. Yes. Tulip. Paradise. Oh, I thought he wanted this dark red. I couldn't choose any.
I want to keep these at home in a vase as
Ah,
well, like you, and we could.
But I like the long stem. Oh, this one. This is the same flower as my wedding bouquet.
No.
Oh. Ah!
You already decided.
Yeah.
That's one.
He really wanted that red one.
This one.
Go.
Pick.
Go pick one.
Go pick. No, we have to pick the right one. Which one do you
Yeah,
think?
that one.
This? This? Oh, come Kenji. Come Kenji.
Yeah.
I will help you. Here. Go.
Hold it
Hold it.
tight.
Wait. Hold
Yeah,
this.
he could-
Hold.
Let, oh, maybe you
Hold.
just let him, daddy, let him. Okay. You can do it, Kenji. Go.
Help.
Yes.
Help.
Help. Okay, daddy, help. Oh. Galing. Good. Kenji.
Oh, Kenji.
Oh, where's your bucket? Your bucket is there.
I guess it's cool. It looks really pretty.
Okay.
Yay!
No,
Happy?
only one.
Only
Only one. Let's go. Yeah.
Now, can't you have to look?
Not too much. Only one.
Only one.
We can choose another type of ano.
I want the
Do
purple.
we get to pick 5 each or just 5 for 2?
No, 3 each.
3 each. Oh, then I already have. They already have.
Red. Wow. I have decided. I wanted yellow and the purple, the dark purple. How about you, Daddy? Oh, sure. Ah, red bucket. It's not a bag, it's a bucket. Daddy, I have
Mommy.
decided.
What do you want?
Yellow. I saw very nice yellow one, the long stem. And the queen of the night, the dark purple.
The queen of the
Yeah,
night.
it's called queen of the night.
Kenji, how about you?
Okay.
Kenji, go help mommy.
Help mommy. Okay. I want this one, this purple one. Okay.
Do you call this?
This is the queen of the night. Kenji, let's go right in the middle.
Night.
Right in the middle. Dark purple. This is the tallest.
Only one, Kenji.
Only one, Kenji. Mommy, help.
Mommy,
Kenji,
like
help
this.
mommy.
Here, look.
Okay, like this. Okay.
Yes,
Kenji,
then
help
pull it
mommy.
up. Pull.
Pull. Kenji, ready?
Okay.
Yay! It feels so good. Like I got it. The beautiful. This is called the Queen of the Night. Dark purple, Queen of the Night. Mhm. Queen of the Night.
Later, can we go to store, buy a vase and buy some dirt because I want to grow these.
You want to plant this?
It is really
Yeah, we could.
Yeah.
If they will let us bring
We
the
have to
bud, I think they're gonna cut it later.
Yes, they're gonna
I
cut
think.
it.
Yeah.
The yellow, I love the yellow one. Ate, help me with the yellow one. Help
Help.
mommy.
Help
Let's-
mommy. Let's go
Let's
help
find the
mommy.
tallest one. Let's find the tallest one.
Let's find the tallest.
I want to get the longest.
Be careful
one,
with the
tallest.
flowers.
I think I found it.
Help me find the tallest one. Where is the tallest one? Oh, I like it. I like it. I think this one. This one is very.
Help them.
Help now, help. Can you help? Ate, help me.
I can't get it.
Help me. Help me. We can't cross over.
And because this bag is heavy.
Okay.
Go.
I go, Kenji.
Just wait now.
Oh, wait. Ate, just put it on the floor.
Welcome.
Ate, help mommy. Ay. No, careful. Okay na. Okay. Wow, I like this. Kenji, I like this one. Who would like to help me? Ate or Kenji? Let's find the... Kenji.
Kenji.
Always Kenji. Oh, Kenji, help. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Ate. Okay, again. Help me. Oh, no, be careful with my Queen of the Night. Ready? Daddy? Do that. Yay! Oh, this is so long. They're nice. Kenji, love it. So I've got this yellow. The Queen of the Night.
Mommy got Queen of the Night with this year.
I don't know, maybe it's
Ate got this
Queen of the
angelic
Day.
and the red one. And Kenji got the
the
small one. And it's time for me to
Daddy's
pick
turn.
my own flower. And for this now,
And maybe Ate can help you.
I'm still undecided.
Kenji, why did you pick this red one? Who is this?
Lightning.
Lightning. And now you need to find the blue one. Who is the blue one? Okay, let's find Sally.
No, I
Okay.
think
Yes?
Cool.
Cruz. Cruz from here.
Blue one.
how you?
You need to find blue one, Sally.
How about you, Ate Yuna?
I really like these because one, this looks really cute and fluffy, and this looks very beautiful.
Angelic.
Angelic.
And this is the Queen of the Night. Oh.
That's really
The dark one.
Daddy's turn. Finally, Daddy has decided which one to pick. Now, careful, Kenji, ha? Don't step on the flowers.
I'm looking for the perfect one.
He's careful naman not to step on flowers.
I will help you.
Kenji, look.
Hug. This is my baby boy. Huh? I have to pick this flower. I think this one. I think I found it.
Ate. Okay. Ate, sit down.
that's also the tallest and the best.
Nice. Is that for me?
Yes.
Thank you.
For you.
Ah!
For my mom.
Thank you.
I thought this is for Ate.
Ate.
See? It's for Ate, not for mommy.
Not for mommy. Mommy so. That's for all.
We have to pick our position.
Yes, that's
Wow.
very nice.
Kenji, no, there's a...
Why are you running?
There's a bee.
Do
There's
you
a
remember the one earlier, like
the bee.
the huge one that was like approaching some red ones, and now Kenji's going there. Okay, yeah. Okay, I hate bees. I'm scared of bees.
Are you scared of bees?
Yep.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, that's a bee. It's like on these flowers. Guys, this is actually my favorite row of flowers. These look really pretty. Pink and purple. Dark purple. And hot pink. So guys, we had so much fun at this tulip park and we picked many very colorful and awesome tulips, and now they're really tired, so are we. But anyways, we enjoyed staying at this awesome tulip park, and first we have some questions to ask you. Which one of these tulips are your favorite? Would you prefer tall or tiny tulips? And have you ever seen any tulips in real life, or have any in your garden? Or have you visited this place while we were recording? If so, you are very lucky to actually see us picking up the tulips. But anyways, Kenji's having fun in the shoe pretty much, but I'm kind of leaning on here since I can't fit inside. But anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, life is full of surprises. Jesus love you all. Mwah. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Natatagay. Doon kami sa may harap dyan. Hindi tinanggal yung ilalim. We've got our bouquets! One for Ate, one for Mommy.
Bye bye.
Bye! We had so much fun. Did you have fun?
I really had so much fun.
And it's starting to rain.